track. Can you hear me?
Information Echo 2047 Zulu, wind 2607, visibility 10, clear below 12,000. Temperature 17, dew point 02, altimeter 3024. DOR Alpha approach in use, landing runway 26 left, runway 26 right. Caution road activity, vicinity of Brackett Airport. No other abatement procedures in effect. Read back code, short instructions, and runway assignments. Hazardous weather information for Southern California. Available on HIWAS or flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, give information, echo.
Information, echo. Information. Clear left, clear front, clear right. Bracket ground Cessna 54094 at Rudder's Wings. Request taxi to active with information echo.
54094, bracket ground, runway 26 right, taxi via November.
Runway 26 right, via November 094. Clear left, clear front, clear right. 今天机场看下面看样子都没有什么飞机在飞哈，可能第一因为是休息日工作日大家都不休息，第二呢这个今天稍微有点风啊，一般飞行员也不愿意在有风的时候飞。
Welcome to 3 Mike Lima, clear to land taxiway Sierra, hover taxi to pad 3, and advise if you're unfamiliar.
Roger, we are unfamiliar and clear for the taxi with Sierra and then pad 3 3 Mike Lima.
November 3 Mike Lima, let's amend that instruction. Clear to land runway 26 left, and I'll give you hover taxi instructions once you're on the runway.
Roger, copy, clear to land 26 left, 3 Mike Lima, thank you.
Bracket Tower Cessna 54094, hold short runway 26 right. Request a left crosswind departure to Chino Airport.
November 54094, bracket tower. I'll call your turn, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, wind 2706.
Clear to take off runway 26 right, 54094, thank you. Clear left, clear front, clear right. Wind 7 knots, 270. 一点点风吧，还 OK， 7节将近还稳，但是有一点湿度的偏差。
Welcome to 3 Mike Lima, you can make your right turn into the downwind now, please.
Clear front, clear right.
And bracket tower, land 300, but Tango holding short 26 right, right downwind departure, please.
November 300, Delta Tango, bracket tower, traffic ahead will be a left crosswind departure. Wind 2705.
55, 60,
3. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, right downwind departure for Zero. Thanks, sir.
Chino Tower Cessna 54094 downwind.
Cessna 094, Roger, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Extend downwind, wind call base 094.
Cessna 094, number 2, report a Cessna on a 2-mile final.
Number 2, follow the Cessna 2-mile final 094. 2-mile final 094.
Cessna 094, your traffic follows off your right now.
Contact with traffic 094.
Cessna 094, number 2, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 26 right, clear to land 094. Clear left, clear front, clear right. 落了。很柔和，很柔和，不错不错。
Cessna Sierra 94, to right Kilo, contact ground point 6.
Turn right Kilo, contact ground 094.
Chino Airport, mission Echo, now current wind 250 at 9er, altimeter 3021.
Chino ground Cessna 54094, exit runway 26 right, Kilo, request taxi to Chino Aviation.
Cessna 54094, Chino ground, taxi to parking via Kilo.
Taxi via Kilo 094. Clear left, clear front, clear right. Woo! Taxi via Kilo. 大喷气飞机，应该是在修的，看样子像波音727吗？area， 那这边全都是右手边，全都是废弃的军用飞机，很多。Left off.